Hello and welcome. In today's video we're going to be cooking a Bulgarian dish called Manzha. To put it simply, Manzha is just a mishmash of different ingredients that you put into this, you then put it above the fire, wait 3 hours and just magic happens and it's a very tasty dish. There's not much to it, it's very simple, so without wasting more of your time, let's just get into it. So basically the ingredients that I have here are onions, carrots, potatoes, peas, mushrooms. Then I have probably 1 kilogram of pork, tomato sauce, then salt, black pepper, some sort of sweet pepper for seasoning, and pork fat instead of oil, and water. And that's basically about it. Let's chop up the onions, get them ready. Opa, let's remove all of this. Next we have carrots. There's no need to actually peel them. And let's just do some mushrooms as well. Now we have onion, carrots and mushrooms ready, so let me just open this up. This is, very simple stuff. What is this carrot doing here? Let's take it. This is very simple stuff, no rocket science, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, I have a huge cutting board which has an advantage and disadvantage. Like, what am I supposed to do now? Wait a second, is this possible? Is this possible? Wait a second, I love a challenge. Oh, that's one in. Oh my god, this could be a disaster. I just cut that for no reason. Alright, it's not working out, is it? Alright, there we go. There we go. Get in. Only 10% of ingredients are falling down. It's alright. You can tell this is my first time doing this. Alright, so all these ingredients are in there, and what I'm gonna put in there as well is the pork meat. I think some pieces are still too big, so just give me just a moment. Let me just use a different knife. Just a second. Ooh, this knife is sharp. Half of the meat here is frozen because I had half of it in the freezer and half of it I recently just bought. So, God's sake, this is like chopping blocks of ice. But see, this is the thing with Manzha. It just cannot go wrong. As much wrong is happening right now, it will still work out. So you don't have to be an expert chef. Right. Hopefully nobody dies from this meal. Alright, meat, here we go. Here we have it. We're gonna use pork fat. Just gonna shove I don't know how much, a spoon. You just play it by eye, Just do what you think is right. You listen to your heart. What's in the newspapers? I know what that says. Navseki mu merak. Okay, never mind. Shove all of this here. I'm not Bear Grylls. Let's just see if it works. First time lucky. Ah! This happens to me every time. How many matches will I go through? We're onto something. We're onto something. Let's just. Come on. Okay. Woo! Definitely do this with gloves, but I don't know where my gloves are. Problem is I forgot to add water, so let's just open this up. Oh my god, it's fire! Health and safety is out the window. Ah! Jesus! There. Now that we're waiting, we're gonna prepare the next ingredients. We're gonna start with potatoes. We're gonna quadruple them into 4 pieces, each potato. Because they can be big pieces, this is very low effort work here. That can just go away. Nothing much to it. Genuinely, even a child could do this. Apart from the fire, do not let your child near the fire. Then I also have peas, and also have this that I don't know the name of, but like Ida's grandmother just brought me this from the garden, so I'm gonna trust her and I'll put it in there, So I managed to find myself a glove. So it's been 30 minutes. Let me open this and let's put in the ingredients. So we have the potatoes, the peas, and let's do, oh my god, the smoke is killing me. I'm freaking dying here. All right, let's do the tomato sauce. Nice. Oh, Jesus Christ, wait a second, I'm freaking dying here. Oh my god. One more tomato sauce. I'm literally crying. Right, one more tomato sauce. This doesn't look very pleasant right now. Let's do more water. Ooh, okay, wait a second. Let me just mix it up a little bit. Also, do not forget about seasoning, so let's just get that. First of all, let's get some salt. Yep. Ah, come on. You know, you know what I should have done? Watch this, watch this. Well, definitely don't know how to do that, never mind. Sweet pepper. Oh, the spoon has been on the ground. 5-second rule. Right. Let's do. I think that will do. Yeah, I think that'll do. You cannot go wrong with Manzha. Ah, and this is black pepper. Maybe I shouldn't do it above that. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Let's just mix this. And now we're gonna let it rest for about 2.5 hours. And I think it's ready. Oh my god, this is looking tasty! Oh my god, this is looking good. Oh my god, it's looking good. This is how it's looking. Well, I can't see anything, but let's
try.
Let's try.
Jacob, it's
Oh
good.
my freaking god, it's good. It's
very
good.
good.
Oh my god.
And salt is perfect for me.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Bro, Jacob. Very
I'm
good.
telling you, Manzha, it just magically works out.
You try the meat?
I tried the meat, it's so good. Oh my god.
Oh, it's perfect. Okay, I'm very proud that Jacob decided to make this video because I already make two Manzha and Jacob like a lot. So I'm, happy and proud that he decided to make video, also to learn how to cook this and to make video. Okay, good luck.